You're welcome back to the channel. Get understand and don't memorize. This is the continuation of a series of lessons on sets. SURDS. The continuation of our lessons on sets. So in this video, we are going to look at conjugate sets. Conjugate. CONJUGATE sets. SURDS. Conjugate of sets. After this, we will look at division of sets. So in this video, let us consider conjugate sets. So what do you mean by conjugate sets? And what is the meaning of conjugate? When we say conjugate set, what does it mean? So we are saying that the conjugate of a given set. So if you are given this set, suppose you are given this set, square root of what? Square root of A plus what? Square root of B. If you are given this as your as a set, then the conjugate of this set is given by square root of what? Square root of A minus square root of what? B. So we just have to change the sign. That is what it means by hot. So if you are giving any given set and you want to find its conjugate, then you have to change the sign. So if you are giving square root of what? A plus square root of B, then its conjugate is what? Is given by what? Square root of what? Square root of A minus square root of B. In other words, if you are giving the set square root of A minus square root of B, then its conjugate will be what? Square root of what? A plus square root of B. So for example, if you are giving what? X plus square root of what? Sorry, if you are giving s minus square root of y as this set, s minus square root of y, then its conjugate or the conjugate of what of this set is given by what? S what? You have to change the sign. The minus sign becomes what? Plus s plus what? S plus square root of what? Y. That is what you mean by what? Conjugate. So that's what we are saying, that the conjugate of what? Of a given set, square root of A plus square root of B is what? Square root of A minus what? Minus square root of B. So example, the conjugate of the sets 3 minus square root of 2 and what? 2 plus square root of 5 are 3 plus square root of 2 and 2 minus square root of 5 respectively. So what are we saying? For example, we are saying that if you are giving what? For the definition, this is a general definition of what? Conjugate of what? Of conjugate sets. Okay? So if you are giving specifically, if you are giving 2, this set 2 plus what? Square root of 5 as I said, if you want to find its conjugate, you only have to change the sign here. So the conjugate of this is 2 minus what? Square root of what? 5. In the same way, if you are giving this set, okay, this set 3 plus square root of 2, 3 plus square root of what? 2. Then the conjugate of this set is given by what? 3 minus square root of what? 2. So guys, I hope this is not difficult. It's very simple. So you always have to change the sign to get the conjugate of the given set. Okay, so we are saying that note that the product of two conjugate sets is always what? A rational number. The product of two conjugate sets is always what? A rational. So what are we saying here? You see that if you multiply if you multiply conjugate sets, if you multiply a set and its conjugate, the answer you get what will be a rational number. Will be a rational. So that's what it means. So let us look at this example. So we have square root of 2 minus square root of 5. So the conjugate of this is what? Plus, becomes square root of 2 plus what? Square root of 5. So let us multiply. We are multiplying, we are expanding. So what do you get? This one you get what? Square root of what? Square root of 2. We'll go and multiply this, the whole thing. Multiply square root of 2 plus square root of what? Square root of 5. And then minus this minus square root of 5. We also go and multiply what? Square root of what? 2 plus what? Square root of 5. Okay. So this is what you get. So let us continue. So this is equal to what? If you continue, you get what? So square root of 2 times square root of 2. What do you get? You get square root of what? Square root of 2 times square root of 2. You get square root of 4. And then so plus what? This is plus. So this is plus, mind, don't forget. This is plus. So plus what? Square root of 2 plus square root of what? Square root of 2 times square root of what? 5. Okay? And then we continue. Then we come here. This is minus. So minus and positive should minus. So you get this is equal to minus what? Minus square root of what? Square root of 5 times what? Square root of what? 2. And then minus square root of 5. This is what? Minus what? Square root of 5 times square root of what? 5. So this is what you get. So let us come here and continue. So we have square root of 2. This is 2. Square root of 2. So square root of 2. This you put them under one square root sign. So this is the same as 2 times what? 2. Then you put them under one square root sign. Okay. So this is 4. So let me write it. I think this one, and now you should be able to understand. So that one you get what? You get square root of 4. Okay, square root of 4. Then plus what? Square root of 2 times 5, then 2 times 5 is what? 10. We put it at that square root sign. And then negative 5, negative square root of 5 times positive square root of 2. So this is the answer will be negative. Then square root of what? 10. Have you seen? Then we have what? This is minus square root of 5 times square root of 5. So this 5 to be 5 times 5, we put them under one square root. So 5 times 5 is what? 25. And then under one square root sign. Okay, simple. So you see this one. So this one is what? This one, this positive square root of 10 minus square root of 10. So this one and this will cancel. They will go to 0. Then we get square root of 2. We get what? 4. And then minus square root of 25 is what? 5. Obviously, so 2 minus 5, the answer is what? Negative what? 3. So negative 3, which is what? Which is a rational number. So that's what we are saying. That's why we are saying that the product of two conjugate sets is always a rational number. In other words, if you multiply a set by its what? Conjugate, the answer or the result you get what will be a rational number. So let us note this one. In general, we are saying that the product of two conjugate sets always gives what? Difference of two squares. I hope you know what difference of two squares is. Yes. So we are saying that whenever you are multiplying conjugate sets, then the answer you always get what? Difference of two squares. So we are saying what is difference of two squares. So we say that if what that is a plus b times a minus b is given by us. So if you have this and you are expanding, then this a will go and multiply the whole thing. That's what we have written. So a is multiplying this, then plus the b will go and multiply the same thing. Have you seen? So plus b, and this b is what? Multiplying the whole thing. So what do you get? A times a, you get what? A squared, okay? And then a times negative b, you get minus ab. So we have finished this one. So we are coming to this. Then the b times a is the same as a times b, which is the same as what? Ab. And then b times negative b is what? Negative b squared. So this negative ab plus what? AB will cancel, they go to 0. And then we have what? A squared minus what? B squared. Have you seen? So this is what we are saying. This is what? Difference of two squares. So in other words, if you have a square minus b square, then you can write it as what? You can come back and write it as what? A plus b, a minus b. Okay. So guys, this is not difficult at all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Let us continue in the next video. If this is helpful to you, first subscribe to the channel. Let me know that you are benefiting, and share with your friends. Guys. So I hope this is very enjoyable. Thank you and see you in the next video. Hello students, you are welcome back. Let us continue. This is a continuation of what of conjugate sets. Yes, so we are saying that or the product of two conjugate sets is always what will always give you difference of what? Two squares. Okay, so we are saying that that is what? A plus b times what? A minus b is equal to what? Is equal to a square minus b square. In the same way, also s plus 1 and times what? S minus 1 will also give you this. Or so you know that yes, if you have this and you expand, you will get this. If you expand, you will get this. And then if you also have this, if you expand this, you will get this. So it means that we can see we can say that s square minus y square is always equal to this, and then a square. You can also say what? A squared minus what? B squared is equal to what? A plus what? B. Okay? A plus b into bracket what? A minus b. It's difference of what? Two squares. Hope you know this. Fine. So that's what we mean. So it means that whenever you are doing this, so this one should be very simple to you. Know that if you have what? A plus b times what? A minus b, the answer is what? You take this this one, then you square it, okay? And then you minus what? You take this b and you square it. You take this term, second term, and you square it. Have you seen? So it means that we have to take this term rather. So it means the positive a, then square, then minus, then b, then what? Square. So if you are given what will be the answer? This is the answer you get to sort. This one is you will get what? Square root of what? The answer is square root of 2 all squared minus what? Square root of what? 3 all squared. This is what you will get. Okay. So what is this? This one will cancel this. This means that square root of 2 all squared means that square root of 2 times square root of 2. You get square root of what? 4. Okay. So the square root of 4 is 2. And this one you get what? 3 minus what? 3. Which the answer is equal to minus 1. That's what you get. That in fact, let us simplify so that you really understand it. So that's what it means. That's what we are saying. That if you have this, then the answer is given by square root of 2 squared minus what? Square root of 3 all squared. So this will multiply this. So that is equal to square root of 2 go and multiply square root of 2 plus square root of 3. Then also this is what we get. Okay. And then this is minus square root of 3. We also go and multiply. Go multiply square root of 2 plus what? Square root of what? 3. Okay. So let us expand. So square root of 2 times square root of 2. it is what 2 times 2, which is 4. You get square root of 4 here. Okay, hope you are now following. So, and square root of 2 times square root of 3. So you get what? Square root of 2. This is the square root of 2 times square root of 3. I've told you from the properties of what? Of sets, when you consider. So you just write it at 2 times what 3 and you put them under what? 1 square root of 2 times 3 is 6. So this one you get what? Square root of plus positive square root of what? 6. And then this one you get what? Negative square root of 3 times square root of what? 2. So you get minus square root of what? 6. And then negative times positive, you get negative square root of 3 times square root 3 times 3, 9, square root of 9. This is what you get. So the answer is also this one and this, they are 0 to go. So what is square root of 4? Square root of 4 is what? Is 2. And this square root of 6 minus square root of 6 is what? 0. Okay? Yes. Okay. So 0, and then you have this one, and then this was square root of 9 is what? Square root of 9 is, oh sorry guys. Sorry guys, let us continue. So I'm saying that the square root of 4 is what? Is 2. Okay, and then plus square root of 6 minus square root of 6, you get what? This one is 0, you get 0. And then square root of 9, this is bring this sign, this is minus square root of 9 is what? 3. So 2 minus 3 is what? Negative 1. Have you seen guys? As we have I said here, I just wrote the answer here for you. Okay, so what this one, what do you get? The answer will be what? This one. This we get 1 squared. 1 squared minus 1 squared minus what? 2 square root 2 root 2 all squared. So this is what you get. So you get 1 minus 4 times 2. You get 1 minus 8, which is equal to negative 7. This negative, the answer you get will be negative 7. So let us expand. So this 1 will go and multiply this thing, the whole thing. So this answer is given by 1 into bracket. 1 is multiplied 1 plus what? 2 square root of what? 2 root 2. And then this minus 2 root 2 will go, so minus 2 root 2 will go and multiply what? Go and multiply, guys. Sorry for this. Sorry, guys. This. Yeah. Oh, hello. Sorry, guys. So let us continue. So we have what? Then minus what? Square root of what? Negative 2 root what? Root 2. Negative 2 root 2. Then times what? 1 plus what? 1 plus 2 root 2. Okay? So this is, let us expand. This is equal. So 1 times this, you get this is the 1 times everything is that thing. 1 times in the number is that. So this answer you get 1 plus what? 2 root 2. This is what you get. So what is 2? Then negative 2 root 2 times positive 1. The answer is negative. So we get negative what? 2 root 2. Okay? And then we have negative 2 root 2. So this, let me write this. This is negative 2 root 2. Then times what? Positive 2 root what? Root 2. This is what we get. So fine. So you know that this and this, what do we get here? This is equal to 1. We get 1. And then this 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2, you get 0. So this is 0. Okay? So let's say let me say plus 0. And then we have this one. What does this mean? This is minus 2 root 2 means negative 2 times what? Root 2. This is what it means. And then times positive 2 root 2 times what? Root 2. So this is what we have. So this, multiply the rational numbers together and then the irrational numbers together. So this is equal to 1. So 1, then plus 0, forget about 0. Negative, don't forget, the answer is the negative sign, you bring it there. Then 2 times what? 2, we get what? 4. 2 times 2 is what? 4. And then times what? This one is what? This is square root of 2 times square root of 2, you get square root of what? 4. This is what you get. So this is equal to 1 minus what? Square root of 4 is what? 1 minus 4 times square root of 4. What is square root of 4? This is what? 2. So this is equal to what? Get what? 1 minus what? 4 times 2 is what? 8, which is equal to what? Negative 7, guys. Okay? Guys, I hope you are following, you are enjoying. It's not difficult at all. I just wrote the answer down. So if you understand, you do it very well, just write the answer in advance. When you are solving objective question, then this one, you will not waste your time solving. You just put your answer down, you shade, and you go your way. Thank you for watching. This for this simplification, we will consider them later on. For this is multiplication, then we consider them later on, or we have considered similar examples. So this one will just multiply, and this one will go and multiply. Okay, I hope you can do that. It's not difficult at all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, guys. So let's subscribe for me to see that you are benefiting from this. You are enjoying. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.